You're just starting it up here. It says welcome to Macintosh. If I go to the little Apple symbol and click on it, the first thing on the top there says about the Finder. Open that up, and then it has the Macintosh Finder version 5.5. If I go over here, it's got W and T's hard drive 20. If I open this up, I'll go over here to File, Open. It has different programs that are on here. If I close this off, go to Apple, go down to Disk Tools, and then I can scroll down to the System and System folders. I click on System. This is the information that comes up. Type Z system, creator max, the size, date it was created. Quit there. Go to Disk Tools again, and I go to System folder. It's got the different programs that are on here. So I have access to everything. It's just a different setup than I'm used to. So there's also a little game on here called Knockout. Oh, lost. Close that off. So if I go into a file, open it up, if I go to something that's folder here called Days Old Stuff and Days Recipes, and now when I click on the little apple, it has about MacWrite. Little information on MacWrite. Now